What happens when a business board of directors disagrees? How do we work through a disagreement of the board of directors? On the simplest level, the board just takes a vote. At some point, whatever issue that the disagreement is around can be brought up to the board as a board action, and the board can vote up or down on the issue. That is the simple answer, is count the votes in a formal board meeting. But behind the scenes, in actual practice, there's a lot more going on. There may be internal politics within the company, and there might be different factions of how the company moves forward. Now, hopefully, what can be done is good, productive decision-making, internal debate to get to the right answer for the company and its future. That doesn't always necessarily happen, and that's when we hit problems. Some tips for this is to make sure that you generally have an odd number of directors on your board. That minimizes the chance that you're going to have a disagreement because you'll have more votes on one side than the other if every director takes a position. Now, even having an odd number of directors, you could have a problem if one director is unavailable. Perhaps a director needs to abstain because of a conflict of interest, or other things are happening that create a situation where you don't have an unbalanced number of votes. If you have a balanced number of votes within your board of directors, then you have a deadlock and inaction. That may be fine for one particular issue or for a particular project, but if it gets to where it's an operational issue, where the business cannot continue to operate because the board is at such a regular disagreement with one another, then you have deeper problems. So when you're building your board of directors and when you're appointing new directors to your business, you want to think carefully about the potential for deadlocks and how to work through structuring so that you minimize the chance of these unfortunate incidents happening and maximize the chance of the business continuing to move forward. If you have questions about business, about boards of directors, or other things, feel free to drop those comments below. I enjoy reading them, but however, remember that YouTube comments are not confidential. So we'll read your comments and it may prompt us to do another video. And if you're interested in more videos about business and business law, make sure you check out our past libraries of videos here on the channel, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you get our future videos. I'll see you for another video soon.